Hey everyone, so today we are going on a hike with Preston and Callie. And this hike is gonna be at a waterfall. Come on. Preston, what do you think? What do you think? So we're here at the waterfalls. Preston's got a stick and Nadine's here with Callie. Callie. Callie, look. Callie, look. Hopefully we'll get to go in the water because I don't know if we're gonna get a chance to go in the water because the bylaw officers are stopping everyone. Not really sure what's going on. Preston, are you having fun? So we are here at the bottom of the waterfalls. Can't really see it, but Preston had an amazing time in the water. Callie's running around. Good boy. Did you have fun in the water? Did you have fun? Did you guys have fun in the water? Preston had a lot of fun in the water. As you can tell, he dragged me in as well. And he was pretty crazy. All right, I think he's ready to head on back.
Please. Oh my goodness. Preston.
So the dogs had a great time on their hike. Preston was trying to pull me down a cliff. It was kind of dangerous. He jumped in the mud. Callie's kind of tired after the walk. If you look at Preston, he is covered in mud. He is very dirty, but I think he did have a good time. We will see you guys next time with another update.